Hey guys, welcome back to SJ's TechnoHub. So today we're going to install Visual Studio Code and we're going to have our first HTML document. So let's right here download VS Code. Okay, so we're going to click on the first link that pops up and you can download according to your OS. You can follow the instructions as I've already downloaded it, so I don't need to download it right now. And once you've downloaded it, you can just install it using the default options. Let's open a new window right here. And I'm going to open I've already made a folder named HTML and CSS course. Let's navigate to it and open it. And let's create our first HTML document. You can look at the new file icon right here next to the folder's name. Click on it and name whatever you want to name your HTML file. I'm going to name it my first HTML.html. So an HTML document needs to have a .html extension. That's how our browser will know that it's an HTML document. Now I'm going to write exclamation mark and I will have multiple options. I'm going to press enter and this is the basic HTML code we are going to have. As discussed before, the doc type tag right here defines the HTML document. HTML and the HTML tag will contain all the information and content related to our HTML page. The head tag defines the metadata and the body tag will contain the main content of the page. And today we are going to discuss about the heading tags. First of all, let's talk about the H1 tag, which is the largest heading in the 6 headings that HTML provides us with. So let's write here, this is the H1 tag or element. This is the H1 element slash tag. First of all, let's save this. Copy the path of your HTML file and let's head over to the browser and paste it inside the search bar. Press enter and here you go. This is our first tag, so the H1 tag. Let's remove it and let's copy this tag and paste it 5 more times. And we are going to name this H2, this H3, H4, H5 and H6. Same we're going to do here, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Okay, H2, H3, H4, H5 and H6. Let's save it, head over to the browser, let's refresh the page, and here you go. The H1 tag is the largest heading and the H6 tag is the smallest heading in these 6 headings that HTML provides us with.